Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot, and I'm so excited. Look, we did it. Yes, well, Mark Roper and Mr. Beast, they kind of got the whole thing going. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Mark. But thank you, because the average donations were just $5, but it all added up. We've managed to raise $30 million. That's going to get 30 million pounds of trash from our seas. Yay! You can continue to donate. I got a link to it below in the description box. Certainly every dollar helps. Thank you, thank you, thank you for helping out with Team Seas. I am so inspired by it, I've decided to clean up my own space. That was fun. I taped him upside down.
I can do this.
By yourself?
Do you need help?
I got this.
You just need some help.
We can get help for you.
Do you need some help?
Ugh, I don't need help. You need help, lady. Go get help! What? Go get help! Ow!
I'm sorry, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Have it. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing to the Asking Spot. And if you haven't done so already, please consider clicking on that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. I'm working on a few projects, so I'm not quite sure what's going to come up next. But hopefully we'll have some more fun in the next video, and bloopers are next. I just kind of felt inspired and wanted to need some more money because, well, that's how filthy the seas are. But hey, we've reached, I don't know, it's just as well planes coming back as blah, 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 blah. Plane time. Okay. Nope. There, it's done. Going away gift that you can do for folks, or oh, I've got a table too. I'm just blah 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 today.